Unable to accept invite Discord. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'm going to guide you on how you can solve the unable to accept invite on Discord, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now first of all, whenever you open up Discord, maybe you're trying to join a particular server, so you can tap the server option here, and then the problem here is that when you're trying to join a server, by tapping on join a server, you paste the link and you tap on join with link, it says unable to accept the invite. Now one thing that could happen over here is maybe because that link that someone sent you has already expired. So by default, the link that Discord sends will get expired within 7 days or 24 hours. If that link is set to never expire, you can join the Discord server whenever you want. If that link is expired, you'll have that issue. And also make sure that sometimes it could be a private server and that's why you're not being able to join. So you can try to contact the owner of the server and then just ask them to give you a new link. So hope this video helped you. If you have got any questions, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.